What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30 at night.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and get ready for the day.
Do you like waking up early?
Yes, I like waking up early.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and spend time with my family.
Do you wake up early on holidays?
No, I wake up late on holidays.
What do you do on holidays?
I rest and enjoy my time.
Do you like weekends?
Yes, weekends are fun.
Do you study at night?
Yes, I study at night.
How many hours do you study?
I study about 2 hours a day.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
No, I try to avoid it.
Do you watch TV every day?
Yes, I watch TV for a short time.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is a comedy show.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I like watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy movies.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is a Nepali song.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books.
What kind of books do you like?
I like motivational books.
Do you like photography?
Yes, I like taking photos.
Do you like making videos?
Yes, I like making videos.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games in my free time.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
Do you play outdoor games?
Yes, I like outdoor games.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, sometimes I go out with friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, shopping is enjoyable.
What do you buy most?
I buy clothes most.
Do you like new clothes?
Yes, I like new clothes.
Do you follow fashion?
No, I like simple clothes.
Do you like wearing shoes?
Yes, comfortable shoes are best.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, my hobbies are reading and playing football.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media sometimes.
Which app do you use the most?
I use YouTube the most.
Do you use a mobile phone?
Yes, I use a mobile phone.
How many hours do you use your phone?
I use it for 2 hours.
Do you like online learning?
Yes, online learning is useful.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch English practice videos.
Do you use a dictionary?
Yes, I use a dictionary sometimes.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is my school friend.
Do you like making new friends?
Yes, I like making new friends.
Are you shy or confident?
I am a little shy but confident.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help my parents at home.
What work do you do at home?
I clean my room and help in the kitchen.
Do you like cleaning?
Yes, I like keeping things clean.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking sometimes.
What can you cook?
I can cook simple food.
Do you respect your elders?
Yes, I always respect my elders.
Do you spend time with your family daily?
Yes, I spend time with my family every day.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like my school.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Which subject is difficult for you?
Mathematics is difficult for me.
Do you do homework daily?
Yes, I do my homework daily.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is my English teacher.
Do you like exams?
No, I do not like exams.
Are exams important?
Yes, exams are important for learning.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning English.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English for my future.
Is English easy for you?
English is improving day by day.
Do you practice speaking English?
Yes, I practice speaking daily.
Do you make mistakes while speaking?
Yes, but I am learning.
Are mistakes important?
Yes, mistakes help us learn.
Do you ask questions in class?
Yes, I ask questions when I do not understand.
Do you want to study abroad?
Yes, I want to study abroad in the future.
Do you eat fast food?
Yes, but not every day.
What fast food do you like?
I like pizza and noodles.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I try to drink enough water.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, fruits are healthy.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, vegetables are good for health.
Do you eat rice every day?
Yes, I eat rice every day.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I like sweets.
What is your favorite sweet?
My favorite sweet is laddu.
Do you like cold drinks?
Yes, but I drink them sometimes.
Do you prefer home food?
Yes, home food is healthy.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I exercise regularly.
Do you care about your health?
Yes, health is very important to me.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Pokhara.
Do you like mountains?
Yes, mountains are beautiful.
Do you like rivers?
Yes, rivers are peaceful.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I love nature.
Have you visited any famous place?
Yes, I have visited some famous places in Nepal.
Do you want to be famous?
No, I want to be successful.
What is your dream?
My dream is to have a good career.
Do you believe in hard work?
Yes, hard work is important.
Do you believe in luck?
Yes, but effort matters more.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy today.
What are your strengths?
My strengths are honesty and hard work.
What are your weaknesses?
Sometimes I overthink things.
Do you set goals for yourself?
Yes, I set goals to improve myself.
How do you stay motivated?
I stay motivated by thinking about my future.
Do you manage your time well?
Yes, I try to manage my time properly.
Do you like helping others?
Yes, I feel happy when I help others.
Are you responsible?
Yes, I try to be responsible in my work.
Do you learn from your mistakes?
Yes, I learn and improve from my mistakes.
Do you like challenges?
Yes, challenges make me stronger.
What makes you proud?
My achievements make me proud.
What do you do when you feel sad?
I talk to my family or listen to music.
What kind of person do you want to become?
I want to become a kind and successful person.